Sometimes, when unloading a tank, an overfill valve failure can lead to the tank overflowing. The unloading operator, not being aware of when the tank has reached its limit, can result in the tank overfilling and thus pressurizes the tank. This could also lead to fuel spillages in the manhole, fuel vent lines filling up, etc. Such events could lead to undesired consequences such as problems after unloading, ground or runway contamination, etc. Rafibra has developed a system that is positioned near the unloading nozzle and connected to the level probes. When unloading, if the level exceeds the pre-programmed level, an alarm is triggered, which can be seen and heard by the unloading operator, who will be alerted to the filling of the tank and will ensure that the tank is not overfilled. Once the overfill panel is installed, we can tell that it is working properly if the light at the top appears blue. It is important to pay attention to the panel as soon as unloading starts. The overfill pre-alarm signal is an audible alarm and an orange light signal, corresponding to a preset percentage of load set by the station. Press the button to silence the pre-alarm sound. After this alarm, and depending on how much fuel is still to be unloaded, extreme care must be taken when unloading by reducing the flow rate and keeping an eye on the panel. In the event of overfilling, red light and a louder beep than with the orange light, stop unloading. Press the button to silence the alarm and notify the station manager. Installing this system offers a wide range of benefits. Easy installation, no works required, no fuel loss, no damage to the equipment as a result of overpressure, eliminates risk of costly environmental contamination. Supervisors are required to control their inventory more accurately, since an overfill will be recorded.